evening everyone. In today's session, we are studying about the ecosystem. So what is ecosystem? Ecosystem means the grouping of organisms that interact with each others, and the organisms will be interacting with their environments in such a way as to prevent the grouping. The living organisms in the ecosystem, they will be having direct as well as indirect relationship with each and every living organisms in the world. All living beings will be having good relationship with their environments. So the human beings also depending on the environment. So the factors will be very essential for the well-being of life. So that's why it is called as ecosystem. The ecosystem, it has been categorized into two major types. From that, the first one is natural ecosystem and the next one is artificial ecosystem. The first ecosystem, I mean the natural ecosystem, it has been categorized into two subtypes. Those are terrestrial ecosystem and the aquatic ecosystem. Then the terrestrial ecosystem, I mean the subtype 1, the terrestrial ecosystem, it has been categorized into three another subdivisions. Those are forest ecosystem, grassland ecosystem and desert ecosystem. Then the aquatic ecosystem, it has been categorized into six subtypes. Those are pond ecosystem, stream ecosystem, river ecosystem, ocean ecosystem, estuarine ecosystem and lake ecosystem. The second major category, that means artificial ecosystem, it has been categorized into two subtypes. Those are agricultural ecosystem and aquatic ecosystem. We are studying about the types of ecosystem. In each and every category, we are studying about the living organisms, non-living things present in the particular type of ecosystem. For example, if we are studying about the river ecosystem, just we can know the living things as well as non-living things present in the river.